Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change email security settings in Outlook. This is essential for protecting your communications, especially when you're dealing with sensitive information or need to verify your identity through digital signatures. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully logged in and your inbox is visible before moving forward, as this ensures all features are accessible. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are. Click on the File tab to open up a comprehensive menu with various account and application settings. This is your main hub for adjusting Outlook's core configurations. When the File menu opens, look towards the bottom of the menu and you'll see Outlook Options. Click on it and an Outlook Options window will appear. This window is where you can customize almost every aspect of how Outlook behaves. From your Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu and click on Trust Center. The Trust Center is Microsoft's dedicated area for managing security and privacy settings, so it's crucial for what we're trying to accomplish. Under the Trust Center section, click on Trust Center Settings to access the detailed security options. Under the Trust Settings menu, click on the Email Security tab. This is where the real customization happens. From here, you have several options to change email security settings that directly impact how your messages are protected. You can encrypt contents and attachments for outgoing messages, which scrambles your email data so only the intended recipient can read it. You can also add a digital signature for outgoing messages, which verifies that the email truly came from you and hasn't been tampered with. Additionally, you can request an S/MIME receipt, which confirms that your encrypted message was successfully received and opened. You can enable these security settings by clicking on each respective checkbox next to the feature you want to activate. Take your time here to select the options that best fit your security needs. Once you've configured everything according to your preferences, click on OK to retain the changes. Outlook will apply these settings immediately, and they'll be active for all future emails you send. And that's it. You've successfully configured your email security settings in Outlook, giving you better control over your message privacy and authentication. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.